All right guys, if you're tired of these loose, tangled up air hoses floating around the shop, it might be time to upgrade to a retractable hose like this one from VEVOR.
Is it worth the upgrade? Let's find out.
Let's check it out.
All right guys, this is VEVOR's retractable air hose. This is a 50-foot air hose with 300 PSI. This thing's awesome. I really like the bright orange color that VEVOR uses on their products. And this hose is really smooth and it feels like it's well made. We're gonna get everything connected here. It comes with the Teflon tape already on it. We're gonna hook it up to our air hose here. This is a dryer where I dry the air coming out of the compressor. We're gonna run it out of there, connect a tip to it, and get this thing hooked up. All right guys, we're just getting everything installed. It's real easy. It's got a mounting bracket and it's got a couple of bolts with washers on them to help it swivel back and forth. Make sure you put your Teflon on, make sure you get your connections tight and get all the fittings set up. We're going to connect the extension hose that it comes with up to the air filter and dryer section. And this thing's going to be ready to go, guys. Let's do it.
All right guys, this thing is awesome. 50 feet, swivels all the way out past the driveway. I got plenty of length to get all the way around the truck. All my vehicles. Pretty cool. Retracts real nice and smooth. It's not too fast. Sometimes these things go too fast. All right guys, this thing's pretty sweet. I like the swivel action. Retracts really nice. Very well made steel construction. Pretty cool. I like the bright orange and I like the soft hose. I'm using it in the shop and it works great. Easily take it out to the cars and pump up the tires. This is great for connecting the air hose real quick and blowing stuff off. All right, let's try it with the DA. Knock some of this rust off of this piece of metal here. Works good. Very nice. Let's see if we can pump up this old vintage tire here. I don't know if it's gonna hold air or not. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. That's crazy. This is the tire off that old 1964 scooter right there.
Yeah, the VEVOR hose filled it up quick.
I love having it over here in the corner. I love that it swivels and it's long enough to get to anything in the shop and all the way out past the driveway. Easily hooks up to my tools. I don't have to worry about untangling it all the time. All right guys, I've been using this in the shop for a few days now and the VEVOR retractable hose is really good. I would totally recommend it. I think it's a really good upgrade. If you're using just a regular hose around the shop and it's getting tangled on everything, definitely consider an upgrade with VEVOR. These are really nice. I would recommend it for sure. There's a link in the description and I think there's a pretty good sale going on right now because of Amazon Prime Days. If you get a chance, go check it out. I think they're great. I would totally recommend it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. I appreciate it guys. I'll see you on the next one. Later.